Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Monday, 2024 May of 6. So today will be a very short session because only 4 stocks fixed by the research house today morning. So let's starting with the disclaimer. All the stock mentioned in this video is serving as a learning purposes. It's not buying silent call for the viewer or subscriber. Let's starting with the last Friday market in the US. So we can see that all three markets in the US is strong, rebounding, going up higher. So which is up more than 1%. Nasdaq nearly 2% right there. And also Hong Kong stock really keep going, market bottom core growth. So which I did mention. Hong Kong China market is very good investment chance for the past 1 years. So it's not starting for the rallying for the first stage. So we check on the US market. Is there any news or not? US stock market future rise as big payroll put cut rates back on the menu. It's too early to tell for these things. It's too early because non-farm payroll has been released on the last Friday, which is weaker than expected. So they are going to they like to use similar news to saying that this yes, this no, this yes, this no. So it's too early to tell for the non-farm payroll is weak, then there will be cut rates coming on. No, it's too early. You at least, and I think you at least you need to wait for another 3 months to read for the data for inflation and all those things. So let's come back to the charting. So we're starting with the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is now on top of the flex pattern right over there, and it's open gap up right over there. So it's considering it's very good momentum if we drawing for the trading box right over there. I can draw a trading box over there, rectangle. I can draw one rectangle right here. So it's now trading above out of the trading box right over there. So it could say it potentially is back on the uptrending at current stage for the Nasdaq. Let's checking on the S&P. S&P more or less the same, which is Nasdaq is far more stronger. And we check on the Dow Jones. Dow Jones is also is trading out of the trading box right over there. We can check on this thing. Yeah, we can paint the box in a different color. So this one is something like this. So it's now trading out of the box already. So the trending might be changing more upside at current stage. So we come back to check on the local KLCI markets. So we can see the local KLCI is still on the uptrending, up by 9 points last Friday, closing at 1589 level. So the momentum still going positive at this current stage in the local Malaysia markets. So I would say there are still a lot of potential in the local KLCI market. You can still find a lot of cheap stocks in the Malaysia stocks. So I would suggesting investor investing for the long term joining into local market. Okay, so we starting for the market review by the starting by the Maybank Investment Bank market review for the last week. So KLCI is poised to extend a winning streak, taking cue for the stronger closing on last Friday Wall Street. Financial stock, however, we may see increasing volatility be ahead of the Bank Negara meeting later this week. Technically, they are expecting for the benchmark trading within a 1575 and 1600, and we will support 1560 and 1530. Technically, I would say 99% the local Bank Negara Malaysia is going to stay put for the interest rate remain at 3%. So there is no other strong reason to increase or lower down for the interest rate. By the way, in fact, there is a gap for the Bank Negara to increase another quarter basis point, which is 0.25%. But I would say at current stage, they are not going to do increasing or decreasing for the interest rate. So meaning that it's going to maintain at 3%. The chances is very high. Okay, so we check on the stock pick by the research house. The first one would be by M Bank, which is Success. Success Transformer Corporations, we can see that they are calling for the buy for this one because of the breakup for the sideways consolidations with a volume of 8 million share traded, nearly 9 million. The momentum coming in pretty much strong right over there, closing at 101 last Friday. So the stop loss level at 89 cents seems to be more than 12%. I would suggest if you are entering for this one, you may need to wait for the pullback and adjust your stop loss level higher. So the target given will be 110 and 120. So 110 will be back into November high, back into November 2021 high. So and then followed by another 120 slightly higher for the strong resistance at 110 level. So okay, so the next stock pick by the research house will be UOB. Binasatcom. Binasat Communications Berhad. So we can see this one is still on the down trending. They are betting for the rebounding. So they're mentioning technical buy on the breakout at 28 cents. Last Friday closing 26 cents, meaning that there are 2 cent gap over there. So meaning if the price come to the 28 cent or 28 half, you can buy in. With a stop loss level 24 half seems to be too large, which is because you are risking 4 cents, which is far more than 15% loss over there risking. And the target given is 3.1 half and 3.4 half. Yep. So the next stock pick would be Edaran. Edaran, they also buying call for the technical breakout on a 124 level, which is the purple line. So they are expecting the Edaran is going to end for the sideways consolidations. Maybe and maybe not. It's too early to tell. I would say they are expecting to break higher 124 level. So their buy call will be triggered right over there. So meaning that you are buying at 125 with a stop loss level 109 acceptable, and the target given is 142, 149. So this one is short-term trading. Yep. So the last topic today would be JF Tech. JF Technology Berhad. So this one you can see that is still on the sideways consolidation and pretty much like a downtrending. So they are expecting for the trending reversal upwards. Last Friday closing 89 cents, stop loss level given is 81 cents acceptable, and the target 99 cents half and 114. So the volume is still not so convincing at current stage. I would say if you are buying in for this stock, you may wait for the pullback. The nearer to the support, the better. Okay. And since the volume is not so convincing, I wouldn't suggesting to going in at least in my point of view. If you like to follow their trading plan, yes, you can go ahead. Make sure you follow their trading plan straightly. So if you're interested to open an account, you can check in the description for the link. The video will guide you through how to open an account with Maybank to you with reliable platforms, and you can check. You may key in the promo code as per the videos. So I will liaise with you after the account has been generated. Yep. 如果有兴趣开户口的话，可以在下面找到我的连接视频呢，教你怎样去 Maybank to you 开启你的股票投资户口。Make sure 你要填入那个代码啦，所以我就会联系你，是没有额外收费了。So I believe that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye. Happy trading.